Good morning from Milan. So we're here for one day and we've got a jam-packed agenda for today. It's my first time in Milan, and Anna, you're?
I think third or fourth. I was quite young when I came last time. So for me, it's quite new as well.
Well, let's get started. But first things first, breakfast.
So we've arrived at our breakfast place. We're actually heading to one just down the road, but came across this along the way. And they have croissants with pistache cream.
Sounds good.
That's good. Well, we've got some cappuccinos, and croissant crema, and one with pistache cream. Can't wait.
Good?
Good. So smooth, creamy, and then the brown sugar on top just tops it off.
So what's in it?
I'm in heaven. So mine has pistache cream. It's so creamy and rich. And this is just the surface of it. This cream is all on the inside of this croissant.
Are you eating the crumbs?
You shouldn't waste the crumbs.
So we've just had a delicious breakfast, and now, given that we're in Milan, which is a big city, we decided to go on a walking tour. Are you excited?
Yeah, very excited to learn a bit more about the city. I've been before, but the past two times I was very young and I don't remember learning anything about the history of the place. Ooh, it's bright.
Yeah. All right, we're trying to find our guide. He's somewhere around here.
Let's do it again. Platoon! Are you ready?
Yes,
sir! She got a point. Yes, Sarge. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay. Platoon! Are you ready?
Yeah!
I love this moment. Okay, Platoon, follow me this way.
Granda Hospital, meaning the big house, was founded in the 1450s, making it one of the first and oldest hospitals in Europe. Now it houses the University of Milan.
Do you feel guilty for that? You should. I don't forget. Okay. Platoon, making fun of each other, roasting each other is the rule in this tour, okay? And that's a two-way process. So Milan was the province.
We're behind. This is one of the oldest churches in Milan that is left over from the Roman Empire. And that is because Milan was destroyed once in the 5th century and then again in the 12th century. That's why there's so little left.
Heading to El Duomo, which is one of the largest Gothic cathedral in the world, and it has about 3,400 spires on top. And what our guide was saying was that the renovations around this place, around El Duomo, will never end, because once they finish with one part, the next part needs to be done because of all of the pollution around Milan.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm checking.
walking tour is going great so far, and our guide just mentioned a few good spots to have lunch and also to try at a particular place gelato. So we're going to try that later today.
And cannoli?
Cannone. And I think cannone.
I think we've had them in Sicily before. The long cannon-shaped pastry stuffed with custard.
We have to try that as well.
Thank you very much. And thank you very much.
So we just finished our tour. A big thank you to Marco. He was great, really energetic. And if anyone wants to know where we got this walking tour from, it's from City Walks, Milan. So we'll probably put the link down below if you're interested. And
Worth every cent.
yeah,
It's free. It runs purely on tips.
exactly. And now we got some recommendations from Marco to eat at a couple of places, so we're heading there.
They have an ice cream with black garlic. And then there's one with sumac as well.
What's sumac?
It's a flavoring they use in Middle Eastern dishes a lot. It's almost like a citrusy flavor. It's like looks like a red powder. I think it's a red kind of flour. So we have 4 different flavors. We have a bourbon vanilla, salted caramel, and then one with blood orange, I think, or just orange. And then you got pistache and
Lemon and ginger.
right now we are at a place called Ciacco, which means fancy in Italian. The flavors look so similar, but they taste completely different. Delicious.
Yeah.
Look at all those little vanilla dots in there. So good.
Are you taking mine?
Just taste. So we got one Panzerotti. One Panzerotti, which is a fried pizza. And we just got the original with tomato mozzarella. Oh, it's still hot. And I got a surprise. Do you know what it is?
No, but I'm guessing something sweet.
Well guessed.
What is it? Ooh,
It's a cannolo. We
looks good.
had this in Sicily, and I'm really excited to have it again. She gave the wrong one.
Which one should we get?
Ham. Okay, so what an adventure. So we got the wrong Panzerotti, and since I was really craving tomato, I went back in to ask for the right Panzerotti. And I'd already taken a bite out of the other one, but she wouldn't let me keep it. Let's try this.
Okay.
I'm so happy I have my tomato.
My very first panzerotto. Is it panzerotto or panzeretti? Panzerotto. Panzeretti.
Panzerotti.
Panzeretti. Only €2.80. Is it? Let's give it a try. It's good. and to chew. So this is one of the things that our guide, Marco, recommended. And it's really good and really busy. There's a queue there, and it might be deceiving, so you might think that you have to wait very long. However, within a couple of minutes, you're served. So don't be afraid to go try it out. It's really delicious. I might have another one, but I don't think it's good for my abs.
See if it is as creamy as I remember.
How is it?
No, it's good. It actually tastes very citrusy. I think they put some orange zest in the cream. And if I remember well, I think the cream is made with ricotta. Don't quote me on that. But it's good.
So we've had a good lunch, and now it's time to see the rest of the city.